So Shaki, why is today important to you?
Because it's my brother's birthday.
More intense, huh? Okay. So Biren, why is today important to you? Hey, don't cry lah. Don't cry. Why is today important to you?
It's not my brother's birthday, but it's a Chile transport day. I'll take from there all the way to there. Father to cloud there.
Banana flour can cook and eat, you know, very
Oh, is it? Oh.
Yeah, it's edible.
Wow.
The dal, you sure love it.
Meet our mentor, hiker, and Zem. And this is Annie.
Cheese.
She's walking.
What's up?
I went to my parents, the warehouse there.
You all got on tape no?
Faster. Okay, turn left, straight.
Yeah.
Turn left down.